Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying prerequisites. Make sure Windows is fully updated and you've restarted at least once. You need an administrator account and active internet. Without those, you can't fetch definitions or services will stay disabled. Once done, disable any third-party antivirus temporarily and note its exact name so you can reinstall later. This prevents conflicts. Now open Settings and type Windows Security. We start the repair steps right away to get Defender back online. You now fix the middle, Open Services. MSC and confirm 3 services: Windows Defender Antivirus Service, Security Center, and Windows Defender Firewall are set to automatic and running. Next, run PowerShell as admin and execute commands to re-register Defender components and enable real-time protection. This restores missing binaries. If Defender still won't start, inspect local group policy or registry. Remove any disable anti-spyware or disable real-time monitoring entries. Make sure to back up the registry before changing. Finish by updating Defender definitions and running a full Windows security scan to confirm protection. If problems persist, run the Windows Update and Security Troubleshooters, then SFC and DISM to repair system files. These commands fix corrupted components that prevent Defender from starting. If you still see blocks, uninstall the conflicting antivirus completely and inspect Event Viewer for specific error codes to Google targeted fixes. One troubleshooting tip: create a restore point before deep changes so you can revert if a step causes instability.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.